How to calculate number of days between two given dates.
If you have two date objects, you can just subtract them, which computes a timer delta object. The relevant section of the docs, this URL. See this answer for another example.
Using the power of datetime. Days until Christmas. More arithmetic here.
Everyone has answered excellently using the date. Let me try to answer it using pandas. This will give the answer. In case one of the input is data frame column, simply use dt.days in place of days.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.